So this is a Haskap that got badly chewed by voles. I thought it was dead, but it's coming back right from the ground. In fact, some of the other ones nearby, I'm not sure if you can see those in the picture. Oh yeah, you can. They're coming around back from the base. So is this one. It's really hard to see, but it got badly eaten. It's still coming back. Here's some other ones, badly eaten by voles. Coming back. Badly eaten by voles. I can see it already coming back from the base. The Haskap are really hardy, coming back. So here I am with my Haskap. The Haskap that was chewed badly by the voles. It's coming back really nicely. This is really only about 10 days after I last took the video. Not even, probably 9. And we got a good 6-8 inches of growth off of that one in multiple spots. This one needs some weeding, but it too is coming back quite nicely from the base. Look at that. Like nice growth coming back. And then even this one here is coming back as well. Yeah, it's coming back. This one's coming back nicely as well. Again, there's probably 4 inches of growth on that one, a few inches of growth on this one. Definitely coming back. This one took hardly any damage and it's doing quite nicely. I can't remember which one that is, but it's doing well. And the other buddy beside it is growing back and not planted properly, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So yeah, moral of the story, don't give up on your Haskap. It'll certainly come back and looking nice. Look at this. They're going to attract a whole bunch of pollinators and might even have fruit this year if I had some cross-pollination, which I might not. All right, here we are. This is another 10 days after my initial 10 days, so we're 20 days after seeing this first emerging of the spring. This is the Haskap. Haskap were chewed like pretty badly, pretty viciously, and as you can see, there's like probably about a foot of growth on this one. It's come back very nicely, doing well. And additionally, we got other ones that are doing well. Probably need some weeding, probably need some better watering, but they're coming back. They were chewed back badly, and they're coming back really well. Then we got some other Haskaps. These ones are, I think, in their 2nd full year, maybe 3rd full year, but they were chewed back badly over winter. And that's where these guys are at. You can see there's good 8 inches to maybe 10 inches of growth max that has grown back there. There's another one that was chewed back, coming back no problem. Another one, there's a little bit of weeds and stuff in there, but it's coming back and it's doing well. This one didn't need to come back. It was not hit as bad as some of the others, but you can also see new growth coming from the base, which indicates to me that it was probably stressed and it was trying to protect itself. So maybe there was a little bit of issues there. But yeah, that's where the Haskap are at. More Haskaps. There we are. This is day 30 after being reviewed in the spring, so 30 days after, still doing really well. There's 30 days on that one original one that had a lot of damage to it, and it's coming back very nicely. There's this other one, it's coming back very nicely. Again, there's a lot of strong new growth that, despite being eaten and girdled by the voles. And here we go, we got another one that didn't get as much damage, but it's coming back nicely and it's doing really well. Could probably use a little bit more water, but it's doing great. So this one is the Haskap. It's doing really nicely. As you can see too, we've got a fair bit of growth. It's approaching 2 feet of growth in there. Not quite. 20 inches is best guess, 22 inches at most. There's another one doing quite nicely. Again, it got chewed down to the ground by the Haskaps and it's coming back quite nicely. You can see the huge amount of growth that's here on some of these. Growth over here as well. And then some over here as well. Looks like we're getting a little bit of green fruit on this one and some spit bugs of some sort. Yeah.